glad you found my channel, Sweet Uniqueities, where everything I do here is always sweet and custom for an event, making it a true uniquity. And today we are going to be doing something crafty for the season, fall season. So I'm sure glad you're here, and let's take a look at what we're going to be doing. For this project, I wanted to do something acorn inspired, and I thought what would be more awesome than an acorn pillow. First thing that I did, I picked up a pillow sham at Hobby Lobby, and this is 18 by 18 inches. And this one is just kind of a basic neutral kind of tan color. And originally I was thinking I would do this video kind of normal, true to fall colors. But then I kind of got to thinking, you know what, actually, I have a lot of grays and black in my house. So let's do something a little kind of different and a play on fall. So we're gonna do some different colors here. Now, you are gonna have to iron this. I apologize because if you're like me, I will be honest, this is one of my least favorite domestic duties of all times is ironing. I hate it, I hate it, hate it. But I'm going to do it because taking it to the dry cleaners and getting someone else to steam it would probably be wrong on a lot of levels. However, it did cross my mind. It truly did. But I'm gonna do it myself. For the acorn, I'm gonna do an acorn in the middle. And for the acorn, you're gonna need some kind of a template unless you are just a fantastic artist. Which I am not, but this came from Dollar Tree. I'm going to use it as the template. And you can see, not a bad proportion. So I wish it was a tad bit bigger, but under the circumstances, I think this is it's gonna work perfect. If you don't have a template like this from a store, you can sure go online on your computer and find a shape that you like, and then print it off the image and then just blow it up to the right proportion, and you've got your template, which is so easy, truly customizable. For the fabric, I wanted to do something kind of fun. And last year, I guess, when I still lived in New Jersey, I had no furniture in my dining room. And so I bought off Facebook Marketplace this really great dining room set that had great bones. And so I redid it. I painted it and recovered the cushions. And I do have a video on that. If you are into that kind of stuff, make sure you check out that video. I will link it down below, of course. But this is the fabric that was on the chair. And so it's like an animal print. It's got a beige background, but it also has the gray, different tones of gray. So I was like, okay, that's gonna be really cool for the bottom of the acorn. So we're gonna use that for the top of the acorn at Hobby Lobby. Oh, and that fabric actually came from Hobby Lobby as well. The top of the acorn, I'm going to try to use this faux leather wide ribbon that also comes from Hobby Lobby. Normally $5, and I scored it for a 40 or 50% off. So it was very, very reasonable. And I'm hoping it's gonna work in this project. My promise to you is this is gonna be simple. We're gonna have fun. There's gonna be no sewing involved because I don't own a sewing machine, and that's just complicated. So we're just gonna glue this stuff on, and it's gonna be beautiful. So truly, I am glad you are here. Let's jump into the mechanics of this, but hey, I would love it if you come back and see me. The best way to do that is to subscribe to my channel. And if you are enjoying fall, just give me a like.
Nothing like basically begging for a like. Anyway, sorry guys. Okay, so you can see I have a very cute cover on my ironing board, and my iron is actually very pretty, but I still don't like to do it. But I did it, and it did iron out very quick and easy with this fantastic iron that my friend Susie recommended to me. Thanks, Suze. Here is the faux leather ribbon. You don't get a ton of it, but you get more than enough for this project. And I just traced around. Just make sure that you have it layered the right way so that you have plenty of fabric. And now I'm just tracing around the acorn, cutting it out, making sure everything looks right. This is not complicated. I promised simple, and that is what you're getting. But truly, despite the simplicity of this project, and you could do this for any holiday, it is so cute at the end. I hope you guys hang tight with me. Now, you probably could have gotten away with just total super glue for this project, but I did use for the material, I used just a fabric glue, and then I used some hot glue for a quick, secure mechanism because the fabric glue doesn't stick real quickly, but the hot glue does. So I used both of those on this, and then you just want to lay it kind of in the center. Now keep in mind, and this is one thing I did learn, I did kind of center it, but then I had all this space on the top, and when a pillow sits, it kind of bunches at the bottom so you don't see the bottom. So that's why I needed a little something more. I mean, it's a cute pillow, right guys? Thumbs up? It just needed a little something. So I'm going to add some vines, and I forgot to push record when I was actually making the vine at the top, but you'll get to see how I did it at the bottom. But it's a super simple design. I'm using fabric markers for this, and then also I'm using a charger to give me the shape, the round shape, but just get something that makes sense for the size of your, acorn. But here's how I'm doing it at the bottom. Just, making a line, and then you just kind of make a gentle flowing line along that line, and then add some little leaves. I mean, it's truly very simple. Find a picture online that you like and just recreate it. And at the end, it will be spectacular. I think it's so cute. I love the different textures of the upholstery fabric and the leather, the faux leather, and then the little details with the vining. I think it turned out really cute. This would actually be awesome in a picture frame. So if you don't want to make a pillow, you can totally do a picture frame. But that is the end. That's the end of this project. So what do you guys think? Is this something that you could give as a gift? You could use it as a party favor. You could give it, to yourself because you just need more decor. I mean, please, it's awesome. So I hope you enjoyed today's project, and I want to wish you a very sweet and unique day. We'll see you on the next project. Bye-bye.